MailerLite landing page tutorial, free landing page builder. Hi everyone, so for today's video, I will be doing another tutorial video on how you can easily create your landing page for free using MailerLite. But before anything else, what is MailerLite? MailerLite is an email marketing tool and website builder for businesses of all shapes and sizes. The key idea behind MailerLite is its simplicity. They provide their customers with straightforward and user-friendly tools such as drag and drop email editor, website builder, and an intuitive subscriber management interface so that users who are not technically savvy like me can easily cope up with their software. So without further ado, let's get started. First, visit MailerLite.com, and this is the main homepage. And here you can sign up for free, or you can also get free for 30 days trial to premium features. But before we sign up or log in, let's first check its pricing for us to have an idea of how much this software cost us to create our landing page and do email marketing. Let's click on pricing. And over here, they have four different plans that you can choose from. And what I love about this software is that they have free plan for up to 1,000 subscribers. That includes 12,000 monthly email sends, one user, email support, and also include features such as drag and drop, email automation, websites, 10 landing pages, which is really awesome for free plan, and sign up forms and pop-ups. For small businesses, all your needs are here in the free plan. And the second plan is the growing business for $9 per month. It includes unlimited email sends, 3 user, and 24/7 email support. With this plan, you can start selling digital products, unlimited templates, and more. The third plan is the advanced for $19 per month. You can have unlimited emails and users, as well as 24/7 chat and email support, and also additional advanced feature like Facebook integration and more. And the last one is the custom pricing, where you can get and choose advanced feature that you need, and you must contact their sales representative for you to get the advanced features and the pricing. So going forward, if you don't have an account yet, then you can simply create an account by choosing a plan here. So you can start with a free plan, or you can also start with a premium plan and just avail the 30 days free trial. But for today's video, I will go ahead and choose the free plan. So let me go ahead and sign up. So to sign up, just provide a company or organization name, your email, and create your own password. Let me just fill out this form. Give me a moment. After that, you'll be prompted to your dashboard, and here to start, you need to complete these steps. First, we need to verify our email. So let me just open my Gmail here. And here I will just verify my email. And it will open up a new tab. And here the last step is to complete my profile. But let me go ahead and close the other tab here. So to complete our profile, we just need to provide the complete name and also our website URL. But if you don't have a website, then that's okay. Just click here and provide a reason why you don't have a website yet. You can just say just starting and click on the next, and then there will be a quick survey questions about what you want from this software and what other software you used before. You just need to answer it. I was not able to record it, but after you finish setting up your profile, you'll be prompted here, your dashboard. And here you can start creating your campaign, create a form to get your customer or visitors' contact information by providing them a sign up form. Or you can also create a website or create automation. So since this video is about creating a landing page, let's go ahead and click on create a website as our landing page site. Here you need to name your site and choose the type of site you want to create. You have two options here, landing page and website. Let's go ahead and select this landing page, then click save and continue. And over here, before we can create a landing page, we need to first create a subscriber groups. Groups allow you to Organize your subscriber based on interest, actions, and more. Let's say our first group must be interested on earning online. So let's create this group. So here you can also add more groups, but for now, let's just keep one group, and then I will go ahead and click on continue. And now we need to select a template for our landing page, and it must be similar to what we want to create so that we can create our landing page more easier. But you can also create from scratch if you like to, but let me just find the templates here for me to start my landing page. So let me preview this one. And I think this is the one here. So let me just select this template and wait for the setup. And after that, we will be redirected here to the drag and drop editor for us to customize or edit our landing page. So here we have our editor. Under settings, we can change our page layout from full width, container, or transparent. Let me just go back to the full width. And here we can also adjust the spacing like this one. And also you have your design settings here for your font style. You can change your font style. So let me choose a font style here. They only have limited font style that you can choose from. And also you can change your background color here. Like for example, this content background. Let me change it. As you can see here, your content color, this one, change. You may also change the background photo here, and you need to upload your own image for you to use it here in your landing page. And to edit the text, simply go here. You just need to click on it and type the text that you like. And to delete, just click on this delete icon. You may also add blocks, so just click on add and just choose what you want to add. If it's gonna be text, image, video, testimonial with star rating, spacer, button, social media icon, sign up or contact form, and more. Or you can simply go here, block, and you can easily drag and drop some blocks from here to your landing page. And also here, you can undo your work and you can preview also your work here to see what your website looks like online. So this will be for the desktop view, as you can see. And this one is for your mobile device view. And after that, just click on the X icon to close the preview. And you can also save as draft your work. So take time in creating your landing page. Make sure that you organize the information and everything for your landing page to look good and look professional. I will just go ahead and save this draft. And then you will be redirected here in your page settings where you can change your landing page URL, or you can add your domain to publish landing pages to your own URL. So you can customize this one. And also you have your favicon here to add favicon to customize the small icon next to your page title in the browser tabs. And you also have your settings here to optimize your page SEO, manage social share settings, and set up your custom analytics. So here you just need to complete this one, and after that, just save and continue to publish your landing page online. So I guess that's all for today's video, and if you have any question, just comment down below, and thank you for watching.